Welcome to the Englishstorywell channel, your ultimate destination for captivating stories that enhance your English learning journey. Here, we believe that stories are not just a form of entertainment, but a powerful tool to improve your language skills. Let's go to started.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to this special story about my daily routine. This story is designed to help beginners improve their English listening and speaking skills. By following along with my daily activities, you will learn new vocabulary, phrases, and expressions that will help you in your everyday conversations. Let's get started with my daily routine from morning to night. The sound of my alarm clock fills the room, and I wake up at 6:30 a.m. The first thing I do is stretch and take a deep breath. Mornings are my favorite time of the day because they are peaceful and full of potential. I get out of bed and head to the bathroom to wash my face and brush my teeth. After that, I take a quick shower. The warm water helps me wake up completely and feel refreshed. Once I'm dressed, I go to the kitchen to prepare breakfast. I usually have a simple meal, a bowl of cereal with milk, a banana, and a cup of green tea. While I eat, I like to listen to the news on the radio to catch up on what's happening in the world. After breakfast, I tidy up the kitchen and make sure everything is in its place. Then, I pack my bag with the things I'll need for the day, including my notebook, pen, and a bottle of water. By 7:30 a.m., I'm ready to leave the house and start my day. I live in a small town, and my workplace is about a 20-minute walk from my house. I enjoy walking because it gives me time to think and enjoy the fresh air. On my way, I pass by a beautiful park with tall trees and colorful flowers. Sometimes, I see people walking their dogs or jogging. As I walk, I often practice my English by listening to podcasts or audiobooks. This helps me improve my listening skills and learn new words. I also like to repeat sentences out loud to work on my pronunciation. When I reach the bus stop, I wait for the bus that takes me to the city center. The bus ride is about 30 minutes long, and I usually spend this time reading a book or reviewing my notes. By the time I arrive at my stop, I work part-time at a local bookstore, which is also where I study. I love my job because it allows me to be surrounded by books and people who share my passion for reading. I usually start my shift at 9 a.m. My tasks at the bookstore include organizing books on the shelves, helping customers find what they're looking for, and managing the cash register. I enjoy talking to customers and recommending books to them. It's a great way to practice my English and learn about different genres and authors. During my lunch break, I like to sit in the bookstore's cozy reading corner and read a few chapters of a novel. Sometimes, I use this time to work on my English homework or write in my journal. Writing helps me practice my grammar and express my thoughts clearly. After my shift ends at 2 p.m., I head to a nearby cafe to study. The cafe is quiet and has a relaxed atmosphere, which makes it a perfect place to focus on my studies. I usually spend a couple of hours here, working on assignments and practicing my English. By 4 p.m., I leave the cafe and head to my afternoon activities. On Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, I attend an English language class at the local community center. The class is small, with about 10 students, and the teacher is very supportive and encouraging. In class, we practice speaking, listening, reading, and writing. We often have group discussions, role plays, and listening exercises. I enjoy interacting with my classmates and learning from their experiences. The class helps me build my confidence and improve my English skills. On Tuesdays and Thursdays, I volunteer at a local animal shelter. I help take care of the animals, clean their enclosures, and assist with adoptions. Volunteering is a rewarding experience, and it gives me the opportunity to practice my English with the staff and visitors. After my activities, I usually head home. I arrive around 6 p.m. and take some time to relax. I might watch a TV show, listen to music, or call a friend to chat. This is my time to unwind and recharge. Around 7 p.m., I start preparing dinner. I enjoy cooking and trying out new recipes. Today, I'm making a vegetable stir-fry with rice. Cooking is a great way to relax, and it also allows me to practice following instructions in English. Once dinner is ready, I sit down to eat. I like to watch an English language movie or TV show while I have my meal. This helps me improve my listening skills and learn new expressions in a fun and enjoyable way. After dinner, I clean up the kitchen and do any remaining chores. Then, I spend some time studying. I review what I learned in my English class, complete any homework assignments, and practice writing essays or short stories. I also like to read articles or books in English to expand my vocabulary and comprehension. By 9 p.m., I start winding down for the night. I take a warm bath, which helps me relax and prepare for sleep. After my bath, I change into my pajamas and sit in bed with a cup of chamomile tea. I like to read a few pages of a book or write in my journal before turning off the lights. I usually go to bed around 10:30 p.m. Before I sleep, I take a few moments to reflect on my day and think about what I'm grateful for. This helps me end the day on a positive note and look forward to the next day. Thank you for joining me on a journey through my daily routine. I hope you found this story helpful and enjoyable. Remember, practicing English every day, even in small ways, can make a big difference in your skills and confidence. Keep listening, speaking, reading, and writing, and you will see improvement over time. If you enjoyed this story, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more English practice videos. Don't forget to share it with your friends who are also learning English. Together, we can make learning fun and effective. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. In this video, we will take you through a captivating story about my daily routine. This engaging narrative is designed specifically for beginners who want to improve their English listening and speaking skills. Follow along as I describe my day from morning to night, filled with activities that will help you learn new vocabulary, phrases, and expressions. About this video in my daily routine. You will join me on a journey through my typical day, starting with my morning routine, commute, work and study sessions, afternoon activities, and finally, my evening wind down. Each part of the story is crafted to provide practical English learning in a relatable context. What you'll learn: common English phrases and vocabulary related to daily activities, practical listening skills by following a structured narrative, effective speaking skills by repeating and practicing key sentences, insights into organizing and describing your own daily routine in English. Why watch this video? Perfect for beginners looking to improve their English listening and speaking skills. Engaging story format makes learning enjoyable and relatable. Practical examples and vocabulary you can use in everyday conversations helps build confidence in using English in daily life. Don't miss out on more engaging English practice content. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Share this video with your friends who are also learning English and help them improve their skills too. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, Our carefully curated stories cater to all levels, making learning English enjoyable and effective. Join our community of language enthusiasts and let the magic of storytelling transform your learning experience. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Dive into English Story Well, where every story is a step towards mastering English.